Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdequaem Chimthanawala. Today I'll discuss a very important remedy that I've seen its usefulness in stomach disorders, abdominal disorders. Though it's a polygraph remedy, but few indications which are very important to remember and understand for that remedy. The remedy is anacardium. And whenever an anacardium comes to your mind, the first symptom in the stomach you have to remember that is the appetite. The appetite of anacardium is written, it is changeable. A very important indication of anacardium, that is changeable appetite. Now, changeable appetite you can have in cinna, nitric acid, you can have in magnesium muriaticum. These all remedies have changeable appetite, but anacardium also is a very important remedy. Appetite changeable, appetite ravenous, appetite canine, and appetite wanting. Both the parts is there in anacardium, but I have seen that appetite changeable is a very important symptom of anacardium. As you go further, the distension of anacardium stomach is very important. Distension of abdomen generally, which is aggravated after eating. The patient comes to you with distension. He says, Doctor Saab, whenever I eat food, the distension increases or distension aggravates. That is an important indication of anacardium stomach. And the very important symptom, all gone sensation in the stomach, or there's a weak feeling, faintness, goneness, hungry feeling, ameliorated during eating. Now, this is a very important symptom, ameliorated during eating. You must have read this in your Mater Medica. Please do compare anacardium with chelidonium and sepia. One remedy which is a very important also with this, I have found useful in practice, is phosphorus. Phosphorus also has the same symptom, amelioration during eating. Now, eructation. Eructation of anacardium is loud and belching. It is loud belching eructation. That is a very important symptom of anacardium. And the most important symptom as you go further is there's pain in the stomach on breathing. Now, this will come across in many of cases where you have seen that the patient is suffering from cough, and when the starts breathing, there is pain in the stomach on breathing. This is a very important symptom of anacardium. I have seen in many of cases where the pain in the stomach is aggravated, or there is pain in the stomach when there is breathing. The patient starts breathing and the pain in the stomach starts. Sometimes a simple symptom will guide you to the remedy, and it can be the constitutional remedy for that patient. So please do remember anacardium, arsenic album, lycopodium, and pulsatilla. All these remedies have pain in the abdomen on breathing and pain in the stomach, and pain in the stomach which is ameliorated after dinner. An anacardium patient will always tell you, sir, whenever I eat my dinner, I feel very happy, my pain is gone, and I go to sleep. This is the wording of an anacardium patient. Do remember one more drug which is very similar to anacardium, and that is chelidonium. Chelidonium, anacardium, and one more remedy which is very rarely indicated in those complaints is graphitis. Yes, graphitis also has this symptom that the pain in the stomach is better after dinner. As you go further, there is pain in the stomach fasting while also. When the patient is fasting, there is pain in the stomach. That's why I told you organ sensation, pain sensation, hungry sensation, ameliorated during eating. It's connected. And whenever there's pain in the stomach while fasting, aggravation, the most important remedy with anacardium, or I can say better than anacardium, you should remember, is graphitis. Graphitis, anacardium, brattacar, calcarea, and petroleum. All these remedies have this symptom, that is pain in the stomach fasting while. This is a very important indication. Now you can have different types of pain in anacardium. You can have pressing pain in the stomach, drawing pain, going pain, stitching pain. But the breathing pain in the stomach on breathing becomes a very important symptom of anacardium stomach. Now the vomiting. Again, this is a very important indication of anacardium, that is vomiting basically from the stomach on coughing. Whenever the patient starts coughing, there is vomiting from the stomach. Of course, a very, very important indication when you are treating stomach complaints, especially gastritis, sometimes cancer of stomach also. So this is all about the stomach symptoms. As you go further in the abdomen, there is pain in the abdomen, and by passing flatters, there is aggravation. Normally, if you see most of the remedies, passing flatters is emulsion, but this is an important indication of anacardium. And one symptom I do remember of anacardium, that is the pain in the stomach or pain in the abdomen on respiration. I told you before also, pain in the abdomen, pain in the stomach on respiration. So this is again a very, very important symptom of anacardium. Now, there is one type of pain that is called as a plug sensation. So, anacardium has pain like in the umbilicus, in the umbilical region, plug-like. He feels, I had a patient who used to tell, sir, I feel that there is a plug or there's a butch inside my umbilical region. There is a butch sensation. So, that was a plug sensation in the abdomen, in the region of umbilicus. Two remedy that you should remember in this case. One, of course, I have told you anacardium, which is very, very important. But the second remedy, my dear friends, you must have never prescribed, and that is verbascum. Verbascum. Now, verbascum again is a very, very important remedy. I have spoken about verbascum on my YouTube video. Please go and see the mathematics or the therapeutics of verbascum. Now, a very, very important indication of anacardium. In fact, only written in anacardium is the heartburn. And a typical aggravation or typical heartburn of anacardium is after soup. Whenever the patient takes soup, there is heartburn. Please do remember this symptom. The only remedy in a mathematics where heartburn is because or heartburn after soup. Very, very important symptom I have seen in lot many of patients. So please do remember this symptom because it will guide you to the remedy. One more symptom that is very close to anacardium. In fact, only anacardium is indicated in that complaints, and that is the shortening sensation of the intestine. Now, this is also a very, very important indication of anacardium. The patient feels that is my intestine has been short. So, shortening sensation of the intestine. In fact, the only remedy in a mathematics is anacardium. So, my dear friends, please do remember these symptoms of anacardium. Though you might not have read anacardium in stomach disorders, but please go home and read because there are lot many of symptoms written in a mathematics which I have not told. I have only told those symptoms which I have seen and confirmed in my practice. So, my dear friends, if you like this video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.